The village rests under a blanket of darkness. Heavy clouds gather silently in the sky, turning it deep and mysterious. A soft drizzle begins, tiny drops touching the earth. The smell of wet soil rises gently, filling the air with calmness. In the distance, a faint glow of the moon peeks through the clouds. Suddenly, the lights go out. Homes fall into darkness. Only the sound of rain remains, soft, steady, and soothing. Moonlight slips through windows, painting quiet shadows on the walls. A strange peace takes over the night. Some people step onto their rooftops. They lie under the open sky, feeling cool raindrops on their skin. The breeze is fresh, filled with the scent of rain and earth. Every breath feels alive. Every moment feels unforgettable. Trees sway gently in the wind, their branches soaked in rain. Somewhere, far away, cows call softly. Leaves rustle. Water drips. The rhythm of nature surrounds everything. The entire village breathes in calmness and freshness. The rain changes its rhythm, sometimes soft, sometimes intense. People on the rooftops simply watch and feel. In the darkness, everything looks more beautiful. Every sound blends into a quiet symphony of peace. Thunder rolls across the sky. Lightning flashes in the distance. A cool wind brushes past, and every drop of rain feels like it carries a story of its own. The night becomes magical, mysterious, unforgettable. People drift into sleep under the open sky. Raindrops continue to fall. Gently. The scent of earth, air, and water surrounds them. Time slows down, almost stops. Peace settles into every breath. Some dogs bark softly in the distance. Birds slowly return to their nests. Trees and plants embrace every drop of rain. The night hums like a quiet song, a melody only nature can create. Gradually, the rain begins to fade. Clouds drift away, slowly revealing light. The cool air begins to warm slightly. The village awakens, wrapped in silence and new energy. The night finally comes to an end. The sky clears. Soft colors spread across the horizon. Far away, the first rays of sunlight touch the village. A new day begins. But the night leaves behind its story. Quiet, beautiful, unforgettable.